Ya, Mati, ¿dónde estamos?
The Pacific Ocean. And it's on the feather. There's waves here. How big are they?
Papi, ¿cómo se llama esto?
How big are they? Hey, that sand is burning hot. What's bigger, the Atlantic Ocean or a Pacific Ocean? Is Pacific the mountain?